Welcome back to Auto Nation Garage, and today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most thrilling machines BMW has ever created, the 2026 BMW M5 Drifting Edition. This isn't just a performance sedan, it's a high-precision drifting weapon built for drivers who want insane control, brutal power, and a fully redesigned driving experience. From its aggressive exterior upgrades to its track-focused technology, BMW has taken the legendary M5 formula and turned it into a sideways dominating masterpiece. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 M5 Drifting Edition stands out immediately with its widened stance, enlarged aerodynamic fins, and a new carbon fiber aero kit designed to stabilize the car during high-angle drifts. The front fascia features huge air intakes feeding the twin-turbo V8, while the laser LED headlights add a sharp, futuristic presence. BMW also introduced reinforced fenders and a rear diffuser shaped specifically to enhance downforce when the car is sliding at extreme angles. Even the wheels are purpose-built, featuring lightweight forged alloys wrapped in high-grip, drift-specific tires that balance grip and slip with incredible precision. Visually, the car screams performance, but every line and curve plays a real role in how it behaves on the track. Performance is where the M5 Drifting Edition becomes a true monster. Under the hood sits an updated 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 pushing around 750 horsepower and over 900 Nm of torque, delivering explosive acceleration and instant throttle response. BMW's new Drift Mode Plus allows the driver to shift torque distribution entirely to the rear wheels, unlocking massive drifting potential. The advanced rear differential, reinforced driveshaft, and recalibrated M suspension system all work together to give the driver total control even during long, smoke-filled drifts. The steering is sharper, the brakes are strengthened with carbon ceramic rotors, and the transmission has been tuned to deliver quicker gear changes with precise power delivery. Whether on a racetrack or a closed drift circuit, this car is engineered to slide with confidence. Inside the cabin, BMW mixes luxury with racing-focused function. You get sport-bolstered M-bucket seats wrapped in Alcantara, giving strong lateral support during aggressive maneuvers. The steering wheel is trimmed in suede for more grip, and the infotainment system features special telemetry pages showing drift angles, G-forces, and tire temperatures in real time. Ambient lighting, carbon fiber accents, and a high-resolution curved display blend technology with performance perfectly. Even though this model is built for drifting, BMW hasn't removed the premium comfort expected from the M5 lineup, making it an ideal dual-purpose machine. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 BMW M5 Drifting Edition is expected to start around $115,000, with higher spec performance packages pushing the cost closer to $140,000 depending on customization. For enthusiasts who want cutting-edge power, precise handling, and a sedan capable of professional-level drifting, this price reflects the engineering mastery BMW has delivered. That's the full breakdown of the 2026 BMW M5 Drifting Edition, a car built to dominate the track and thrill anyone brave enough to take the wheel. Stay tuned for more car reviews right here on Auto Nation Garage.